Got another BTS lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Life Goes On. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. Helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the high E string. Next is an A major 7 chord, so you're just going to slide your pinky finger down to the 4th fret of the high E string and leave your pointer finger where it is. Next is a D major chord, so you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And then last is a D minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Life Goes On. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.